My name is Adrian Yeager, and this is my presentation on my mobile app called Artist Unity. Artist Unity is an app designed to empower artists by providing a dedicated platform for showcasing portfolios, connecting with clients, and fostering a supportive community. The target audience for this app is emerging artists seeking visibility and professional opportunities, professional artists managing portfolios and commissions, art enthusiasts discovering and supporting original artwork, and creative professionals sourcing or collaborating with other artists for projects. So the goal is to create a seamless, algorithm-free space where artists can grow, connect, and thrive without the constraints of a traditional social media platform. So for my competitive analysis, I chose ArtStation versus DeviantArt. ArtStation is a professional platform for digital artists. It has sleek profiles, industry networking, as well as some job postings. Some of its weaknesses are that it has limited social features, it has less diversity in the art styles on it, and it also has large file performance issues. DeviantArt, on the other hand, is a community-focused platform for all artists, with strong social interactions, large communities, and trending art discoveries. Some of its weaknesses is that it has a cluttered interface, visibility changes, and a confusing navigation. My goal for Artist Unity is to combine the professionalism of ArtStation with the community engagement of DeviantArt, so I'll be offering a user-friendly and an inclusive platform. In my user research, I found a few common themes, the first of which is the ease of use. The participants appreciated the platforms that were simple to navigate and offered intuitive tools for discovering and showcasing art. But there was a desire for personalization. A lot of the users emphasized the importance of features like curated feeds, custom galleries, and personalized recommendations. There's also a desire for supporting the emerging artists. The participants highlighted the need for a platform that provides fair visibility and opportunities for lesser-known artists. The challenges that I found within the apps that I researched were as follows. For DeviantArt, it had a cluttered interface, overwhelming navigation, and limited visibility for new artists. ArtStation, on the other hand, had minimal community interaction, a lack of diversity in the art style seen, and a performance issue with the large files. Based on these findings, I have a few new requirements that I would put into Artist Unity. The first of which would be a streamlined upload process with easy categorization as well as tagging. There would also be improved tools for managing commissions as well as tracking project status, and enhanced social features to foster meaningful connections and feedback. Here are a few reasons why Artist Unity is significant. It is unique, with personalized features such as customizable galleries, curated feeds, and tools tailored for diverse artistic needs. It will also have a streamlined commission progress, which will simplify how artists receive and manage commissions. It will also be an inclusive space which will welcome all art forms and skill levels, bridging the gap between professionals and hobbyists. Artist Unity is important because it will empower artists by providing a platform tailored for them to gain visibility and connect with clients. It will also eliminate the algorithm barriers and focus on fair visibility to ensure that all artwork is showcased without being overshadowed by the algorithms. It will also foster a community which will create a supportive environment where artists and enthusiasts can interact meaningfully. And Artist Unity will simply just be better by improving the usability to combine the professionalism of ArtStation with the community focus of DeviantArt while addressing both of their usability challenges. It will encourage growth and support artistic careers through networking, feedback, and discovery features, as well as focus on the simplicity. It will offer a clean and intuitive design to prioritize creativity over complexity. So here's how I've implemented my plan. So I've created a user-centered feature such as the intuitive upload artwork process, which is tailored to the needs of the artist. There are also tools for categorizing and tagging art to enhance the visibility, as well as personalized feed for users to discover relevant artworks. There's also user journey representation by how artists can showcase portfolios and receive direct commission inquiries. There's also art enthusiasts and professionals can interact with artists through comments, likes, and messages. There's also a responsive design with a clean, minimal interface prioritizing usability for users of varying technical skill levels. I'm now going to go into a short tutorial on how to upload and see your artwork. So when you first open up the app, this is your home page. As you can see, here's the logo, here's the search bar, which usually when pressed it would slide out a thing. It must not be working. This is the home button. This is where your notifications will be for likes, follows, things like that. This is one of the ways, the quicker ways to upload something to your profile. This one is your direct messages, and this will be your settings. So I'm going to demonstrate how to upload an item. This is the profile page. It shows you your name, pronouns, what you do. You can have a short bio in there, a website. You can have a banner if you choose. Here's the profile photo, likes, follows, and who you're following. Likes as in either profile likes. And as you can see, look, ooh, we got a notification. So one of the other ways that you can upload a project or something to one of these is from here. So let's say we're trying to upload this image right here. So we would click on this. This would pop up with the upload a file, and then you click on this image. You can add a title in. So this one I have Ace Winter because it's for the team Ace Esports. A description of what you're seeing and hashtags. So what these hashtags do, instead of an algorithm-based type thing, you will basically, once this is uploaded, you'll see this on your page being well, if I follow graphic design, well, I'll see this on my page kind of thing. You can select what album it goes into, so this one's going into the AVIs, and whether this is a commission or not. Is it sellable, and what is the cost? So, you finished all that, now you can press upload. If you have something you realize you need to still edit yet, you can press keep editing, and it'll bring you straight back to the screen. Now, let's say you're all done. So you press yes, it's going to load, it uploaded successfully, going to bring you back to the home page. Well, now let's just see where it is. You go back to the profile, and now we press on this right here. This is the album that you uploaded it to. We're uploading it to AVIs. Oh look, here it is. You press on it, it brings it up bigger. There you go. And you can even have a banner and everything of that sort. The most challenging part of this project was finding ways to make the app more intuitive and user-friendly. I also struggled with re-imaging how a portfolio and sharing platform could be improved to better meet the artist's needs. Through this process, I have learned how to design a functional and minimalistic user-centered platform that serves as both a portfolio and a space for artists to connect and share their work effectively. I also do realize that I did not add in features to like, share, and save, which can be implemented later on. Thank you for watching.